If you're someone who feels the need to be possessive about your loved ones just so that you can feel safe in your relationships, then I want you to consider something. Imagine you no longer are living in this world. You have passed away, and now your loved one is left behind and they have to continue living their life. And just because you were possessive throughout your life, they don't have any other relationships that they can lean on to during this difficult phase in their own life. But still, they need to continue living their life, right? So, who would support them in that situation? We feel that if we are really possessive about them, we are really taking really good care of them. But it is also possible that they might come across a situation in their life in which you are no longer there and they still need to continue with their life. Then, if we can pause for a moment and think about how difficult it will be for them in that particular situation, that would help you see how harmful it is for us to be possessive about our loved ones. Because if we truly love them, then we won't do that to them, right? We won't try to control them or restrict them or try to hold on to them to an extent where tomorrow in a situation or in a world in which you are no longer there, they would struggle to survive. We wouldn't do that to our loved ones, right? And we should also remember that when we allow our loved ones to receive more love from different people or from different relationships, their heart as a whole would also expand, and as a result they would be able to give more love or offer more love in the relationship that they share with you. So in fact, it's not just selfless but probably one of the most loving things that we can do for ourselves, and that is to not let ourselves be possessive about our loved ones, or let go of that possessiveness and let go of our need to control our loved ones just so that we can feel more safe in our relationships. I hope you found today's reminder to be valuable, and if you did, do follow along.